How to earn $200 a day just spending a few hours of your day.
Oh my God!
Yes, in this video, I will teach you an easy and effective way to earn more than $200 a day without having to work hard.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So don't skip any part of this video and watch it until the end. I'm sure you'll be able to start earning a lot of money on the internet today.
You serious?
But before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and like the video so you don't miss any more videos on how to make money with the internet. Here on the Billionaires Instructor channel you will learn everything you need to start making money today with the internet and achieve your financial freedom. Also, the person who has the best comment on the video will be competing for a $100 giveaway. To participate is very simple. Just leave a like on this video, be subscribed with the thin notifications active and write a comment on the video. The comment with the most likes will receive $100. To start the method to start earning more than $200 a day, go to the link that will be in the pinned comment or in the description and you will register on this ClicksFly platform. ClicksFly is a platform that shortens links and places ads on your link, making you earn money for every click on your link. To withdraw your money, just go here in Settings, Profile, and then choose a way to receive your money. As you can see here you have numerous ways. My favorite is even USDT for Binance. It's the safest in my opinion. Now when returning to the main menu and clicking here where it says Current Ad Settings High and Revenue is at 100%, you will be able to configure how much money you will earn. As you can see here, the CPM is quite high. It is currently the platform that pays the most per click. Look, 1,000 clicks from the United States pays about $15, that's a lot. Then we have several AD plan options here. The normal one is high, but we have others that pay more like Push Beta that pays 10% more than the high one, and we have the best CPX Beta of all. And if we activate this option here, from CPX Beta, the gain per 1,000 clicks will multiply by 10. As you can see, 1,000 clicks from the United States now gives about $150, an incredible value, don't you think?
Wait a minute!
Now I'm going to teach you how to shorten a link so you can spread it and start making money today. For the method that I am going to teach you today, you will search for example how to lose 10 kilos a month on Google. You will search for a good site and you will copy the URL. Then go back to ClicksFly, click on New Shorten Link, paste the link you copied here, and this will generate a shortened link. The problem with this link is that the link is a little strange. To solve this, let's create an account on bit.ly, which is another platform, but just to shorten links and make them look better. Once we have the account created on bit.ly, we will paste the link here and change this front part to something related to weight loss. For example, lose 10 pounds fast. Now that we have the link ready, it's time to start spreading it. We have different ways to spread it. Today I will present you 3. First, form Quora. Quora is a social question and answer site, and we will use it to share our shortened link. Step 1. Create a Quora account. Second step. Look for questions that are directly related to your link. For example, in my link I teach you how to lose 10 kilos, so I will search for people who want to lose weight and don't know how. Third step. After finding people who need help to lose weight, I'll answer their questions with an excerpt from the site I'm promoting. And then I'll say the following. This site will help you to lose more than 10 kilos per month and reach your goal. And in front I leave my shortened link. For every person who enters through my link I will already be earning money. Step 4. Now I just need to ask as many questions as possible on the weight loss topic. Before I tell you the next method, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here at Billionaires Instructor you will learn the best possible ways to earn extra income every month. Second way, YouTube. With the strong explosion of YouTube Shorts, promoting links to articles is really easy. First step, create a YouTube channel about your topic. In my case it would be a channel about weight loss. Second step, post videos about weight loss, tips, before and after, basically anything that can keep the user watching the video. To create your video you can use Canva, link in description. Third step, put information in the video saying learn to do just like these people and go to the pinned comment. And in the pinned comment, we'll leave your link shortened. In case your video is tips, learn more effective weight loss tips in pinned comment. Fourth step, publish at least 5 videos a day at different times, all of them vertically and under 60 seconds. Before I tell you the next method, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here at Billionaires Instructor, you will learn the best possible ways to earn extra income every month. Third way, Instagram. Instagram, also if used correctly, is a complete gold mine, and I will teach you now how you will turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine.
Yeah, boy.
First step, create an Instagram account about your niche, in my case weight loss. Second step, put a good image about your niche and a description with your link. Third step, search for publications that are viral in your niche, in mine, for example, posts about recipes, weight loss tips, exercises, etc. Fourth step, repost these publications on your Instagram account. Fifth step, in the description of the post, put appropriate hashtags with the post, and at the top put "learn how to lose 10 kilos in 1 month" in the bio. Sixth step, search for accounts about your niche, go to the most recent publications, then the likes and send DMs to the people who left a like saying, "On my page I teach several healthy recipes and give tips for your health, I invite you to follow." After doing this with several people, you are done. Now just do all these ways that I taught you, be constant, repeat the processes every day without fail, and the results will be very clear. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe with the notification bell active, because here on the Billionaires Instructor channel you will learn how to make money quickly and get a good extra income every month.